My upstairs neighbor had a pipe burst and water flooded my apartment, ruined my floors, warped my ceiling, destroyed 2 pieces of furniture. Their response? I'm sorry, but my insurance only covers my unit. I contacted my renter's insurance. They covered my damages and then pursued reimbursement from my neighbor's insurance through subrogation. I didn't have to fight that battle alone. My insurance fought it for me. I did have to document everything immediately. Photos, videos, receipts, serial numbers. Get renter's insurance. Understand what it covers and document damage the moment it happens.